I've cut down a lot of my excesses and starting to learn to be happy with simpler things. These are the two things. A lot of times people don't believe in personal space. They stand literally like this to you. I realized we have to spend more time in solace. We can't be distracted and have mental chatter around us all the time if we have to channel a creative task. It's very obvious, but only when we're running the race, we never realize this. Only when we pause, we get to know this. So that's as a creative person. As a normal person, I just realized how less resources we need to actually have a decent life. We live a life of excess. My running cost per month had dropped by 1/5, and I was comfortably happy. And after the lockdown, like last year, towards October, when things opened up, also I wasn't spending like before. It made me more. Money is one thing. The ecological impact of our shopping, our travel, our using fuel, so much excess. We live in so much excess. I've cut down a lot of my excesses and starting to learn to be happy with simpler things. Masks and sanitizing the shot after every half an hour, that was a new process. But being an actor, I couldn't wear mask for a long time because I have makeup on.
Yes.
So after we're done, if there's a crowd, usually I don't bother much about a crowd. I go to the dancers, I go to the juniors, talk to them, have a word or something. But now since we don't know who's what, I'm not talking much. Not that I ignore, but I'm not able to freely interact. So that's the thing which I didn't like. These are the things I didn't like. What is it that I liked? Nothing. Everybody who's on set is grateful because we're getting employment, finally we're getting back to work, something we love. Okay, employment is one way to see it, but finally we're all here because we love movies, right? We get to work on movies again. So, more gratitude even for simple things. Yeah, that's one thing I like. I didn't have pressure. I realized when I'm doing a Telugu song, also I should operate with the same mindset. I'm going to have fun. I'm going to work hard. We work very hard. Every day we were dancing for 3-4 hours minimum. But we've got it. We put in our effort. But even here I would have done for 5 hours also. But still there's a pressure in my head that I should nail it. Here there was nothing like I should nail it. I just walked in, gave my shot. Okay, good, cool, let's bounce. It's like that. So that's how Vilayati Sharab happened for me. I had max fun. I was very thankful to the experience. Like I said, some they say destiny. Like I said, Telugu films I can expect, or someday, okay, maybe a Netflix show, or maybe a Hindi movie someday down the lane after years or something like that. But I never thought about a music video. It just happened randomly and it taught me so many things. I'm so grateful for the whole experience. I don't today, am I talking too spiritual? I feel today I've been talking very spiritual, or not spiritual, but philosophical probably. I don't know. So me, my cousins, my brother, all of us are actors. When we meet, it's not a conscious thing. There's so much. It's more of cracking jokes, fun, talking. Even if you talk about movies, not serious stuff usually. It's more like, what happened on the set the other day. This happened. More like a anecdote sharing thing. When we sit privately one-on-one with each cousin, I have a different dynamic. Then probably we talk movies. But once we catch up as a gang, it's usually catching up on what's happening in life in general. That said, my father is a producer. My brother is an actor. I'm an actor. So when we three sit, it goes very deep into cinema. We have very intellectual conversations on cinema, and our analysis, like what we thought about the recent films or what is happening in our films or whatever. So it's very broad and very intellectual, but that's fun. But with cousins, it's usually chill. It's a very chill. I realized I work better when I take my own decisions. I used to consult my father a lot or her a lot or something like that. I still run by decisions, but I take my own decisions. But I feel it's our individual journey. We have to, we can ask for help, a tip. They can probably tell us a few things, but it's our gut decision whether to do something or not. So I usually rely on myself. I run by some stuff who are different. For example, some friends of mine who are not in the industry, they're great with music sense. So once I score a song, I usually send it to them. Script judgment, my dad is really good. You know, if it's a role, character, something technically I'm stuck, what do I do? I'm not feeling this. Then I'll probably ask my brother. Only in bits and pieces, but overall, it's on me.